Um, Good afternoon, everybody. As you know, I'm not a great speaker. I don't talk a lot. But this I have to say is, I'm glad to see all my family and friends here. And I just want to thank the Lord for, because of Him I can stand here today. Because otherwise I wouldn't be standing here today. 7 months ago, nobody expected me to stand here and say thank you to the Lord for what He's done for me. I was very ill, as all of you know, and I just want to thank everybody's prayers that went out for me while I was in the hospital.
And I thought to myself, I'm going to send Anthony this video clip. But you know, it's all memories concerning where we come from and how I know my brother Anthony. I know him as a very strong person. You know, we were a very close family, and the bond that we have was a very strong bond of love.